turn you on like a handle, like a television on the weather channel. Cause I make it rain, girl. Now come be white, girl. You just an earthly, you ain't never been to Wayne's World.
Okay, we're in the tropical rainforest. And the annual rainfall exceeds to 7.8 inches, which is very wet.
So we've been here for a couple years, I think. Been pretty long. Yeah, and we took notes. So it rains a lot, and there's 2 seasons, which is wet and dry.
Stupid bird.
My bird!
This is one of the many birds that live in the tropical rainforest.
This is my pet! You guys heard him, his name is Pablo. Guys. His name was Pablo. I'm gonna cry.
And
look, I'm crying.
this is a toucan bird. But yeah.
Okay.
And it eats
My pet Pablo.
insects, but I guess now it's not gonna eat anything for a long time now.
You killed my pet Pablo.
It ran into the wall.
It ran into the wall. Ugh.
What? Didn't you hear me say stupid bird?
You're mean to my pet bird Pablo. Okay. So, the temperature ranges from 20 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, which is around 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
And on the warmest months, each month differs by 5 degrees. And the temperature varies little through the year. And there's only 2 seasons, wet and dry seasons.
Yep. Kind of said that. So yeah.
So, I guess 2 cans.
Stop! You're hurting Pablo!
He's dead. He ran into the wall.
Oh no, he didn't.
Okay, I guess we're done here. We'll bury Pablo a little later. Bye.